This video has been inspired by TEAMSEAS. Check the description for more information. As you're probably aware if you're watching this video, plastic waste is an ever-growing problem on our planet. Trash can travel throughout the world's rivers and oceans, accumulating on beaches. This debris harms physical habitats, transports chemical pollutants, threatens aquatic life, and interferes with rivers, marine and coastal environments. In the ocean, plastic debris injures and kills fish, seabirds and marine mammals, because persistent organic pollutants in the marine environment attach to the surface of the plastic debris. Floating plastics in the oceans have been found to accumulate pollutants and transport them through ocean currents. One of the most devastating elements of this pollution is that plastics take thousands of years to decay. As a result, fish and wildlife have become intoxicated. Consequently, the toxins from the plastics have entered the food chain, threatening human health. When plastic enters the ocean, 94% sinks to the sea floor, according to a recent report. We already have a layer of stuff that's not going to degrade further. It could last potentially eons, unless some kind of technology evolves in that time that can break down plastic in a very cold environment of the sea. As plastics are tossed around the ocean, much of it breaks into tiny pieces called microplastics, which then become very difficult to remove. Through fishing, the microplastics end up in our food chain. Did you know microplastics have carcinogenic properties, meaning they potentially cause cancer? The most frequent littered stuff includes fast food packaging, cigarette butts, used drink bottles, chewing gum wrappers, broken electrical equipment parts, toys, broken glass, food scraps or green wastes. Every year, 8 million metric tons of plastics enter our oceans, on top of the estimated 150 million metric tons that currently circulate our marine environments. Here are several ways where you can make a difference. Donate to TEAMSEAS.org, link in the description. Recycle properly. Participate in or organise your own TEAMSEAS beach clean or river cleanup. Support bans on single-use plastics. Avoid products containing microbeads. Just spreading the word can help. Tell your friends and family how they can be a part of the solution. Support organisations addressing plastic pollution like Ocean Conservancy and Ocean Cleanup. And finally, leave nothing behind. As crowds grow, so does the amount of litter that's left behind and blown away. Don't let your day out contribute to the destruction of our oceans. Remember, leave nothing behind but your footprints. Again, for more information on how you can help, check out the description below and go to the teamseas.org website.